Good morning. This is SAEED DULAIMI from the College of Administrative Sciences, Applied Science University in the Kingdom of Bahrain. Currently, I'm working actually on a research project with the principal investigator, Yoping Tang, from the School of Economics, University of China, Academy of Social Sciences, from Beijing, China. And the title of the project is, we expect to use this title, Enterprise Financial Strategy and Performance Management Analysis. And we are going to use the methodology of PCA, Principal Component Analysis. This research project aims to enable enterprise during the period of the construction management into a debt crisis and to obtain more economic benefits and the practice exploration. In fact, enterprises will face more and more competitive pressure because of environmental protection policies from the perspective of long-term development of resource construction. In this project, when any enterprise chooses its financial indicators, it will study the four abilities of the enterprise. The first is solvency, the second is profitability, the third is the operational ability, and the last is growth ability. We intend to use several indicators such as indicators like the return on investment, return on equity, net margin on sales, gross margin on sales, asset liability ratio, current ratio, and inventory turnover, accounts receivable turnover, profit rate or profit growth rate, and finally the growth rate of assets. This is the main indicators. This is all financial performance indicators we can use and depend on secondary data announced and produced in the enterprise reports. To implement the financial performance evaluation and to analyze the data we use, as we mentioned before, we are going to use PCA, Principal Component Analysis. We expect to finish this project within a few months, and we are going to submit this paper to a very distinguished journal and have a good rank. I wish all the best to my colleague to finish this research paper on time. Thank you very much.